Hi everyone and welcome to a new Garden of Designs tutorial. This is Reina and today we are making Cordelia cow jointed doll. This is a 4-part tutorial. Please make sure you watch them all. Let's start with making the limbs and body. First we make the soles and palms. Place tearaway stabilizer into the hoop. Stitch the placement stitch. Place fabric right side up. Stitch the tack down stitch in placement for applique. Place fabric for applique, fleece or any soft stretch non-fray fabric over the placement stitches. Run the tack down stitch. Trim away excess material. Return hoop to machine and run the embroidery details. Could place water-soluble topping over design if your pile is high. Remove from the hoop. Tear away all stabilizer. Now let's make the hands. Place tearaway stabilizer into the hoop. Stitch the placement stitch. Place fabric right side up. Stitch tack down stitch and first row of joint marker. Prepare the sleeves. Run a hem along the lower edge and attach the lace. On the longest piece, make some pleats approximately 3/4 inch wide. Place prepared sleeve back over the top area. Tape down to secure in place. Return to machine and run the joint marker. Remove hoop from machine, do not unhoop. Place the sleeve front with a pleat over the back right side together. Then place the other arm fabric over the design right sides together. Return hoop to machine and run the final stitching. Cut around the outer circle and leave for attaching to arms and legs by sewing machine. Remove from the hoop. Tear away all stabilizers. Let's make the legs. Place tear-away stabilizer into the hoop. Load the designs for RH and LH legs beside each other. Stitch the placement stitch. Place fabric right side up. Stitch outline and joint placement marker. Place another piece of fabric right side together over the fabric and stitch final stitch. Remove from the hoop. Tear away all stabilizers. Cut additional fabric away and around corners. To assemble. To assemble. Make sure the front of the foot is at the front of the leg. Pin front and back, then stretch to fit the leg onto the feet. Stitch one side first, then flip sides to do the other. Turn right side out. Let's make the body for. Place tearaway stabilizer into the hoop. Run placement stitch. Place fabric for body and fabric for top right side up, hold in place with tape or pins. If your fabric is woven, you should hem the lower edge before placing onto the body. Run the tack down stitch and placement marker for joint. Place other top fabric face down over the top right sides together, and the same material used for the body face down over the top right sides together. Return hoop to machine, run the tack down stitch. Remove hoop from machine and unhook, remove tearaway stabilizer. Trim edges, clip into corners. Turn through opening. Go to part 2 and see how to make the head. Oh, subscribe and hit the notification button to find out when new tutorials are released.